Hi and welcome. My name is Erin, and here on my channel, I show you how to create your very own bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a natural lip balm. This particular formula makes not just one tube of balm, but rather 5, and it contains a unique ingredient that will help to moisturize the lips. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how I make this. To start out with, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out my butters, and the first butter that I'm weighing out is mango butter. This is high in vitamins A, C, and E, along with antioxidants and fatty acids. What this will do for the lips is it will help to protect the lips from extreme cold temperatures. So with mango butter, this is going to offer some intense hydration along with soothing and healing dry cracked lips. I love using this when I'm making balms because it makes the lip balms have a nice creamy consistency, and it will leave the lips feeling very silky smooth as well. The next butter I'm going to go ahead and weigh out is shea butter. This is going to help to hydrate and nourish the skin of the lips, leaving them very soft and smooth, and it will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles present on the lips. Okay, so now that I have added the butters that I want to use in this formula, I'm now going to go ahead and weigh out some beeswax. This will help to create a nice thick and firm consistency in the lip balm, but what it will do for the lips is it will help to soften and hydrate the skin of the lips, but also give the lips a nice shiny appearance. Now, if you're someone that does not want to use beeswax or has a sensitivity to beeswax, whatever the reason is, and you want to use a different ingredient, continue watching because I will go ahead and give some substitutions that you can use in place of this ingredient as well as the other ingredients that I'm using in this formula later on in this video. I'm now going to go ahead and weigh out some sunflower oil. This is going to be my carrier oil. And whenever you're making a lip balm, it's really important that you at least use 1 carrier oil, and that's because it's a natural emollient and it will help to hydrate and soften the skin. This particular oil is great for most skin types. It won't clog your pores. It's very gentle on sensitive skin. It has a lot of wonderful antioxidants like vitamin E, and it contains linoleic acid, which will help to retain moisture, but it will also help to rebuild and strengthen the skin's barrier. Okay, so this next ingredient that I'm weighing out is going to be the key ingredient in this lip balm formula, and it is Manuka honey. This is an oil-soluble extract, and this is really going to improve the dermal layer of the lips by giving it a lot of moisture. This is something that's going to be great for dry, chapped lips. It's going to help to soothe and heal them, and it's great for anti-aging as well. All right, so now that I've added the Manuka honey, I'm going to go ahead and cover the speaker, and I'll be placing this on the stove in a double boiler and allowing all the ingredients to simmer and completely melt. It's very important that you don't boil your ingredients because you don't want to destroy all the vitamins and nutrients found in the ingredients. Everything has now melted down, so I'm simply going to pour everything into my lip balm containers. You want to do this fairly quickly because it will harden, making it very difficult to pour into your containers. So you probably noticed that I didn't add any flavor oil or essential oils to this formula as I was creating it. And the reason that I did so was because I wanted to make a natural lip balm that was suitable for all skin types. And I find anytime that you add essential oil, for example, or a flavor oil, it might not be suitable for all skin types. Once I have poured all of the ingredients into my containers, I'm going to allow them to sit and harden up and completely cool down before I go ahead and put the lids on these containers. And once they are completely cool, it usually takes about 2 hours or so, then they will be ready to use. It's now been about 2 hours and everything has completely cooled. These turned out really lovely. They have a nice creamy texture and they're very hydrating. I've chosen not to do a demo because I figured everybody knows how to use a lip balm. So here are some substitutions that you can use in this formula. Now, for the mango butter, you can use cocoa butter. I know it's very pricey, but it's a good option. For the sunflower oil, use safflower oil instead. And then candela wax is a good option for the beeswax. However, if you use this, it will change the consistency and the hardness of the finished product. So just take that into consideration. For the shea butter, I would say use avocado butter. That works well here. For the total amount that this formula makes, it makes approximately 3.5 ounces of product. And depending on the size of the container that you use, it will vary. But for me, it made 5 tubes of lip balm. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.